Hello, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Vlogmas day 4. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing and also don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And also share my video, all right? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always and always. So, guys, today we are making popular Ghana coconut biscuits, also known as poloo. This biscuit is so good. Like, if you have kids, please try it out. They are going to love it, and you're also going to enjoy this biscuit. It's so nice. Like, I enjoyed it, and the people I gave it to also enjoyed it. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight to the video. Don't forget to do all those good stuff to the channel, okay? So guys, I've got my bowl here and I'm going to start now by measuring in my flour. I'll be listing the ingredients with the measurements in the description box, so please do well to check it out, okay? And then I'm going to be adding in my grated coconut. This is fresh coconut. I'll be adding sugar too, and I'll be adding my baking powder and powdered milk. I use one sachet of this big powder. Then I'll be adding in my nutmeg. I'm going to mix all these things together now to properly combine everything. Then I'll go in with my butter. And then at this point, I'm just going to drop my spatula and I will use my hand to mix everything until it is well combined. So now I'm going to be adding in my water. This is room temperature water. Then I'm going to mix everything until it forms a dough. I will transfer my dough into my working surface and then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on it because to avoid it from sticking, okay? And I'm going to knead it and then I will roll it out. So guys, I'm going to roll it out now. You don't have to roll it too flat, okay? And then I'm going to be cutting it into my desired shape. And here it is, my poloo is ready to be baked. So I'm just going to put it in my oven now. I baked this for 12 minutes. And guys, here we have it. Our poloo is ready. Our coconut biscuit is ready. I want you to try this out. See, you're going to love it. You're really going to enjoy it. If you're a lover of coconut, then you should try this out. Okay, this is so delicious, so delicious. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, why now? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And also share my video. Please share my video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until I come your way again tomorrow, please stay safe. Bye.